What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of CryptoRuff, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day. Taking a look right off the back, we see the total crypto market cap just over $400 billion. This FUD coming from India and all the FUD coming from all the new regulations coming to cryptocurrency has people running scared. They're running for the hills. They're selling their coin. I mean, look at this market-wide crash. We do see a little bit of green here with Tether, with Binance Coin. Why do we see it with Binance Coin? Because people are trading like crazy, probably on Binance right now, and so this Binance coin's getting a lot of activity. A lot of people are using that to trade right now because the market is so volatile. Bitcoin's been around 8,500 to 9,100, floating back and forth between those numbers all day today since last night. And I talk about why the price of cryptocurrency is so low on yesterday's video. I'll definitely take that up above here somewhere, so you can check out yesterday's video on my predictions on why the market is reacting this way. I think there's a lot of market manipulation. I think it has to do with regulations, India, pumping and dumping, the futures contracts, and all that. So I go a little bit more into detail in yesterday's video, but today's video I want to talk about what I'm doing during this dump of coin. I actually bought some Bitcoin. So I bought like $200 worth of Bitcoin. I was like, what can I do with this? I bought it cheaper. It equated to about 0.022 Bitcoin. I was able to buy it around like 8,700, just around this price here. And I was like, you know what? I want to invest that somewhere, or just hold it, or whatever. And a friend of mine was telling me about FalconCoin. So FalconCoin, right off the bat, not associated with FalconCoin at all, have not read the white paper, have not looked into the coin at all. This is like one of those for fun, blind investments. So I'm going to take this 0.0229 Bitcoin and I'm going to turn it into Falcon coins. So FalconCoin was a successful ICO. They've had all-time highs of around $1.20, $1.30 a coin, and right now their coins are 0.64. Now, it is a lending platform. Most of you are tuning me out right away because it is a lending platform, and I totally get that, but hear me out here. So I'm completely unsure of this site right off the bat, not financial advice, but they're doing something that's a little bit crazy to me. So let's go ahead here and let's exchange the Bitcoin for FalconCoin. So I can buy about 280 units of FalconCoin. Let's go ahead and buy that, and it's about $199 right now, 281 coins. Let me do my two-factor really quick. All right, so let's confirm this buy. Boom, buy order 281, buy order placed. Let's see how long it takes. Okay, they're already in my wallet, so that was super quick. So FalconCoin wallet, 281 coins. Let's go ahead and lend FalconCoin. So what is extremely weird about this website is their lending rate is one FalconCoin is equal to $10. So technically, if I have 281 FalconCoins and I times that by $10, I'm looking at $2,810 is what I can lend, and they're paying out 1.8% today on that lend. So I just want to see the number myself. So you can see active investment is 0 here, and I'm gonna lend 281 FalconCoins. Now if I'm lending over 1,000, I get this plus 0.1% daily, and each loan will release after 180 days. So I'm locking this $2,000. Really, it's about $200 of what I have. I think it's like $200 worth of Bitcoin I put in. All right, let's lend this out and see what happens. Are you sure? I'm sure. US dollar lent $2,810, and right there, active investment $2,810. So tomorrow at around 1 p.m. let's go ahead and calculate what my earnings should be. So it should be about 1% because I get that plus 0.1%. Tomorrow's interest right there is 0.92. So 2,810 basically times 1% is about $28. So technically tomorrow around this time I should see $28 pop up in my US dollar wallet. This is crazy to me, so join me on this journey if you like. For the fun of it, I'll put my referral link down below. Let me be absolutely clear with you. I have no clue how safe this is. This is a risk. So if you do invest, do not invest anything more than you're willing to lose. I'm taking a chance with $200 worth of Bitcoin just to see what could happen. I have no clue. So definitely gonna have some fun. This is probably not the smartest investment, I will tell you that. But for the sake of entertainment, for the sake of having fun, I'm gonna try out FalconCoin Falconcoin. You guys are welcome to try it out too if you'd like. Let's just have fun, because if this works, I have no clue. So I'll definitely be reporting my journey for you guys. I just thought something fun in the midst of all red market would be good, just to get our minds off of money loss, and just take a little gamble here and just see if anything comes of this Falconcoin site. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope that that's entertaining for you guys to watch me possibly lose $200. Who knows? But apparently I have, according to their lending program, lent $2,810. In reality, it was about $200 worth of Bitcoin. If you do invest, really, please only put what you're willing to lose. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this is entertaining to you. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Turn on post notifications, like this video, and comment a question down below. And join me on this journey where I try out different cryptocurrency programs, where I try out lending programs, staking programs, where I do market analysis, where I just talk about cryptocurrency every single day. So thank you for your support and welcome to the channel. There is also a Discord link down below. Join our Discord community. We talk about ICOs, lending programs. We talk about all things cryptocurrency in the group. It's free to join and to become a member of the CryptoRuffian community. All right, guys, thanks for watching today. Enjoy Falconcoin. If you do try it, let me know. I'm just having fun. If you don't have fun in life, what are you living for? All right, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.